Hi everyone, my name is Vani and I'm back with one more tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to format our filters using containers, basically show and hide button and tablet. So before we go ahead, let's start by understanding what exactly I'm talking about. So I have this dashboard which is simply showing me a scatter plot relation between profit and sales for each subcategory, right? Now what I want is I want to filter all these with the help of my regions. Okay. What exactly we are going to learn today is how to format this particular filter. Normally, when we add filters in a dashboard or anywhere, it is simply a white color box. It does not really look good. If we have a white background for a normal dashboard, it might look good. But whenever we have such colorful, backgrounds or something fancy, we always try to make our filters look good as well, which is not really an option inbuilt in Tableau. You cannot format your filters much. So this is where show and hide containers come in handy. So the first thing I'll do is quickly create a chart. So I'll just bring my profit and sales to rows and column, and then my subcategory to my detail. Where is it? Yep. I'll increase my circle size and I'll make it a filled circle. I'll reduce the opacity and also give it a border color to help me differentiate. Perfect. Now what I want is to format the sheet and give it a background color, which is blue in this case. I also need to remove the grid lines because they are not at all looking good, right? And also make these white pretty quick. Right click, format, and done, right? So now what I want is for my filters, which is region. So I'll just select all my regions, bring them to my filter shelf, and that's done. I'll go to my dashboard, I'll bring in my sheet, I'll just quickly remove this and increase, I'll just do this real quick and I'll increase the size of my sheet, right? You can just go here and copy the title. Okay, that's done. Now what I want is to bring in my filters. So I'll click here, I'll go to my filters, I'll bring the region filter. Now this is what I was talking about. Right now I'll make it single value list and I'll also make the color as white, right? Now this is not at all looking nice, right? Even if I make it a drop down, it's coming like this. It's like a box which is right there in the center, and the box cannot be formatted. It will look like this only. This is something which I personally don't like. So for this, there is a very simple trick which I learned from Kevin Flalage. He's a Tableau Zen master. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go to Figma and I'll create a button which says region, right? I'll simply select this and I'll export my button. That's done. Now I'll come here, I'll bring in a container, okay? And the container will be exactly the size of this. So I'll probably give it a width of 150. That works for me. You can change your width as per your convenience. I'll drag the filter, I'll bring onto the container, press shift, I'll get the border. As soon as I get this border, I'll leave. That's done. Now let's just remove the title because our button will have the title. Let's select the container and distribute evenly. Now I need to make it a list, single value list. Okay. Now one thing important to note is to make your containers background the same size background as your sheet so that it does not look out of the place, right? It should look like something is coming out of a button. I'll give it a slight border color, differentiate it from everything else out here, reduce the size. Now I'll simply say that this container should have a show and hide button. Now show and hide button functionality is something new in Tableau, which basically says that whenever I click on show, then I want to show something, and whenever I click on hide, I want to hide whatever it is inside my container. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Uh, Maybe give it height of 40 or something. That works. Yeah. the height changed because, okay, done. Okay. So now what I am saying is that, whenever I click on this, the container should become hidden. Whenever I click on this, container should be visible, right? So now this is exactly working in the way I want. I have a fancy filter which I can click and show my values now. I click on it again, it goes away. Now I had two options of selecting what I wanted to show in show and hide. So maybe one thing you can do is whenever something is not shown, you can give it this color, and you can also create one more button which maybe has a filled background, right? You can maybe give it some filled background or something saying that, okay, whenever it is not hidden, I want the background to be something else, right? Maybe this. So it will also differentiate between the hidden and shown field. And that was it for today. So guys, if you like our content, do subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our daily tutorials. Thank you. Bye.